The United Auto Workers strike against General Motors is entering its sixth week, and it's taking a big toll on the auto company. Yahoo Finance's Rick Newman is here with us now. So, Rick, last week you were here talking about the fact that there was this tentative deal and the 46,000 UAW folks had to vote on it. When is that vote going to happen?
Probably by the end of this week. And if we're lucky, by this time next week, these people will be back to work. But it's not a certainty that they're going to approve this deal. So they're now discussing it. They're having seminars telling the workers what's in this deal, what's going to happen. There's a lot in it for workers to like. They will get an $11,000 signing bonus once they approve the deal and go back to work. They're going to get more or less the raises that they wanted. The one big thing that's not in this deal is GM is not agreeing to reopen those three closed factories. So those workers are out of luck, but the rest of them, my guess is they probably will approve this and we'll have these folks back to work.
Rick, if you're a Ford, if you work at Ford, if you're at Fiat Chrysler, should you be worried about the deal that GM just struck here?
Well, the auto workers at those manufacturers are going to vote on something similar. The difference is those two companies don't have factories they want to close. So the sort of bargaining is going to be a little different. So we'll see how it goes. But normally the way this works is the first deal that gets done with an automaker is the one that stands and the others follow that.
So you don't think that Ford or Fiat Chrysler have to worry about workers striking?
I wouldn't be that sure about that. You don't know because it's not going to be a cookie cutter deal at those two companies. But if those two companies more or less agree to the terms that GM has agreed to, they'll get through it without a strike.
Has GM come out here with any financial estimate?
Of the hit to the company?
Yeah.
They haven't, but a lot of analysts have. They've lost production of about 30,000 vehicles. I don't know what the number is, but it's going to affect profitability for sure in this quarter. But this is about the long term for GM. So GM is trying to look out for its ability to have a flexible workforce so it can do what it needs to do when it changes the way it builds cars in 4, 5, 6, 10 years from now. So that's really what this is all about.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.